top 19 deadliest sinking ship in the history. It was an Haitian ferry and it sunk the night of the 17th of February 1993 with around 2,000 people on board. It was a Senegalese ferry and was capsized and sinking in a storm. The 26th of September 2000, it was a steamer vessel sunk in 1865 with to 70 Nordist American soldier. This is the deadliest sinking of USA. It was an *Z warship sunk by British warships the 27th of May 1941. It was a Japanese warship sunk by American forces the 7th of April 1945. It was a German ship sunk by RAF III, May 1945. It was a Japanese cargo ship sunk the 25 February of 1944 by an American submarine. It was a Chinese passenger ship sunk for a Minda the 3rd of January 1948 during the Chinese Civil War. It was a Norwegian cargo ship sunk the 12th of February 1944 for a storm near Capo Sugno during the transport of Italian war prisoners. It was a Philippine ferry sunk the 20th of December 1987 after the collision with the oil tanker Vector. This is the deadliest sinking in peacetime. It was a German passenger ship. The night off the 9th of February 1945 was carried refugees and soldiers from Germany when it was sunk by a Soviet submarine. It was a Japanese transport ship sunk by an American submarine the 25th of February 1944. It was a Japanese troop transport ship sunk the 29th of June 1944 by an American submarine. It was a Japanese prison ship sunk the 18th September 1944 by a British submarine. It was a Soviet cargo and passenger sunk the 8th of November 1941 in only 4 minutes by a German bomber during transport of Soviet refugees. It was a British transatlantic sunk in 15 to 20 minutes full of French and British soldiers the 17th June of 1940 by German forces. It was a German passenger ship sunk full of elite prisoners the 3rd of May 1945 by the RAF. It was a Norwegian cargo ship that was robbed in 1940. It sunk full of German refugees the 16th of April 1945 by a Soviet submarine. It was a German passenger ship. The night of the 30th of January 1945 was carrying German refugees, soldiers, patient when it sunk in 50 minutes by a Soviet submarine. Guys, I want to say, there aren't sinking least terrible and most terrible. Every sinking is terrible, but these are those with most victims. RIP for every victim of a sinking.